Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert Lazada coins to wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the Account tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top, you'll be able to see your available coins. Scroll down until you find LazFin or Lazada Wallet, and then tap on that option. Next, you'll see a section labeled Payment Options, Payment Discounts, or Wallet Activate. Here, you need to click on Activate. After that, you'll be asked to confirm or verify your mobile phone number, depending on your region or country. Once you've confirmed your phone number, your Lazada wallet will be successfully activated. When this is done, your Lazada coins that you've collected should automatically transfer into your Lazada wallet balance. From there, you can use them to get discounts on specific products when making purchases on Lazada. And that's it. So that is how you can convert Lazada coins to wallet. So that's all for this video. Thanks.